day looks like here in Koh Lanta. I do wake up like, I want to say early, not so early, around 7, 8, sometimes 9, it depends. So there's this little shortcut to get to the beach from my bungalow. So this is the shortcut with a really loud bird. Basically it takes only like 2 minutes from my bungalow to get to the beach. Well, even less if I would walk faster, but I'm not in a hurry now. 10 o'clock in the morning, not even. Let's find a good place to have breakfast. It's way too hot during day, so I'm kind of avoiding the sun right now. Planning to go to the gym.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
water is not so clear here in Koh Lanta, so it's not so good for snorkeling, but that's okay. We'll do some snorkeling in Koh tomorrow. I have to keep an eye on my things so I don't get robbed. This is my last day in Koh Lanta. Tomorrow I'm going to Koh so I like in the morning, in the noon.